Welcome. My name is Grecia Suarez, and I am VP of Volta Concierge. I will be sharing with you how to sign up for your Volta Concierge wallet and receive your own personal promo code that gives your clients a discount on their Volta rides. So first off, you're going to go on www.voltaconcierge.com. This is our official website. The first thing you would like to do is click on Join. Join the orange button. You'll see this pop down, come up, and the first thing you want to do is add your company name. So if you are a travel agent or a wedding planner or a hotel concierge or supply cruise and sea or work for a fixed base operator, or if you're a ground handler, or even a travel influencer, you can put your company name here. So travel with Gigi, for example, and you put in your address here. I'm just going to put a mock-up here so you can see. By example, you have to fill up the entire form. You put in an email. A phone number, and the industry. This is very important so that you can diversify which vertical you are in. If you're in travel, you will click on travel and sign up today. Once you do that, you click on sign up, you're going to see this message. And then you want to provide Volta 24 to 72 hours to complete your sign up. You're going to receive an email to thank you and a campaign so you can learn more about Volta.